In this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your Vivint Doorbell camera. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which model of doorbell camera you have from Vivint, you can usually follow the same instructions that I'm going to showcase in this video. So the primary tool that you are going to need is going to be a T5 screwdriver. They will provide you with one of these, so make sure that you have the appropriate screwdriver to get this job done. You might need additional tools to remove other parts of your Vivint doorbell, for example, a mini screwdriver, mini flathead, wire cutters, even a drill, voltage meter, and so on. But to keep it simple, all that you have to do is remove this set screw below the Vivint camera. So right underneath, you will find a small hole that should have a screw going through it. This is where you will be able to use the T5 screwdriver. This screw holds the entire unit in place, so loosen the security screw at the bottom of the camera using the T5 screwdriver, and then remove the old camera from the backplate. This will be done by pulling away from the top to the bottom. So make sure that you pull on the entire unit together. And once it has been removed, you might expose the interior part like this, and you can install a new camera if needed. Or if you want to completely remove it, then just make sure that you don't connect anything new and then undo any screws here as needed. You might have to use different tools like mini screwdrivers or a drill to get this entire back plate out, but you should be able to do it. The main casing for the unit here is going to be released by undoing this set screw here. So very simple to do. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing because as you can see, 83% of people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.